40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Hey, gather round, gather round. Here we come a-wassailing among the leaves so green. Here we come a-wandering so fair to be seen. Love and joy come to you, and to you your wassail too. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. And God send you a happy new year. Oh, thank you, my friends, thank you. Yea, to all those gathered round the streets of this fair village, greetings. I have been known by many names. Some even call me Santa Claus. But here, in the United Kingdom, I am known as Father Christmas, and I bid you welcome. We gather today to toll the devil's knell, one stroke for every year since the birth of Christ. Let's see, where was I? 65, 66, 67. I beg your pardon. Might you be able to tell me what year this is?
I believe it's 2022.
2022. 2022? Well, 2022 minus 67. Well, that means I have to ring this blessed bell 1,955 more times. I'll return to this a bit later. At any rate, I've been around for many years, bringing holiday joy to good children across the land. I've received letters from many of you this year. Oh, from you, my friend, and you, and you. Oh, you're expecting quite a lot this year, aren't you? Ever the optimist. Where was I? Ah, yes. The Christmas carol I was singing, like so many of today's Christmas traditions, originated here in the United Kingdom. Indeed, it was not uncommon to see groups of carolers, much like yourselves, standing on a street corner, much like this one, singing the songs of the season. I say, that gives me an idea. Pardon me, my young friend. What is your name? Joanna? And Joanna, where are you from? Florida. Now, Joanna, tell me, have you been good this year? Yes, I knew it. Somehow I knew, yes. Joanna, would you be so kind as to come up here and assist me? Thank you so. Now, every time I point you and say jingle bells, I need you to shake these jingly bells, all right? Let's give it a go, shall we? Jingle bells. Ho, 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 ho. All right. Now, as I was saying, jingle bells. Yeah. Someone is on their toes, huh? Now, as to not be caught unawares, watch closely. One more time. The ancient tradition of jingle bells. Good show, good show. Now, would you all join us as we sing that traditional Welsh Christmas carol, which we all know is called... Jingle bells, no, deck the halls. I said traditional Welsh Christmas carol. Jingle bells, that's not from England, that's from New Jersey or someplace like that. Right, deck the halls. Now, you may shake the bells on the fa-la-la-las, all right? And a one, a two, here's your cue. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. That's holiday spirit. A hand for our bell ringer. Excellent work. Now, before you go, I have something for you in appreciation of what you've done here today. It's your very own reindeer bell. Now, this is no ordinary bell. This is a magical Christmas bell. I'll tell you how. On the quiet morning of Christmas, while everyone is asleep, dreaming of candy canes and sugar plums, tiptoe ever so gently into your parents' room. Then hold this bell ever so gently above their heads, and then Shake that magical bell just as hard as you can. But remember, it only works on Christmas morning, Trust me, use your powers wisely. Thank you again, my young friend. Excellent work. Ah, jolly good. I dare say all that bell ringing should knock off a couple 100 years from our devil's knell, what? Oh, the sound of carolers in the streets. It reminds me of a picture print from Terrier and Ives, or better yet, a scene from a Christmas card. Oh, now there's a tradition that really caught on. Did you know the first Christmas card was sent in England back in 1843? That single card caught the attention of an English gift book company that had 1,000 lithograph copies made, which they sold for $1 apiece. And the rest, as they say, is history. Oh, hello. Hang on, I seem to be receiving a good thought of the season. Sorry, everyone, just to take the... Oh, yes, there it is. You, my young... You'll forgive me. No, you, sir. I know what you're thinking. Yes, I really do. I am Father Christmas, remember? You're thinking, enough of the carols and cards. Let's have the good stuff. What about the mistletoe, am I right? Yeah, I knew it. Oh, there's one in every crowd. Well, I have to admit, my friend, I don't blame you. The hanging of the mistletoe is among one of our oldest, and I might add, one of our most popular traditions. It dates back to the ancient Druid ceremonials of the winter solstice. Each time a kiss was claimed under the bough, the young couple would pick a berry until there were no more berries left. And so, my friend, here's wishing you a bough with many, many berries indeed. Oh, there are so many wonderful traditions that come from the countries of the United Kingdom. England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales each have their own unique customs that make their holiday season a special time. Just as Charles Dickens has shared the romance of a perfect Victorian Christmas in his writings, the United Kingdom has taken the customs and traditions of its countries and shared them with the rest of the world. I think perhaps the immortal bard William Shakespeare truly said it best. Ever against that season comes wherein our Saviour's birth is celebrated. No spirit dare stir abroad. The nights are wholesome. Then no planets strike, no fairy takes, nor witch hath power to charm. So hallowed and so gracious is that time. On behalf of all the villages and towns here in merry old England, have a hallowed and gracious Christmas! Oh, thank you, my friends. Now sing along if you would like. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. Happy Christmas to you all, and I'll see you all soon.
Welcome, friends. If we would like to take a quick photo, I just have you start lining up right here. You can only hang out for just a few more moments until